Hey there, my name is David Nips, and in today's video, I'm going to be giving you a step-by-step Black Friday Facebook ads strategy that is going to help you absolutely destroy your holiday sales this year. In this video, I'm going to be talking about creating an irresistible offer, writing copy and creating graphics that convert, when to actually start running your ads, and some things to look out for along the way. So without further ado, let's jump onto my drawing board. Let's talk through Facebook ads for Black Friday and follow these steps so that your business can have an absolute blowout sale this coming holiday. Let's dive in. Okay, so let's dive in with step number 1 of your Black Friday and Cyber Monday advertising strategy. And step number 1 is that before you do anything, you need to develop what is your irresistible offer. So you want to think about what is the thing that your customer is going to get excited about? What's the thing that you can actually be profitable for? Because remember, the definition of Black Friday is that most of the year, retail businesses are in the red. During Black Friday, they're actually in the black. So you need to make sure whatever campaign you're doing, this isn't the time to showcase a loss leader. This is a time to double down on a sale that's actually going to bring you some revenue into your business. So some things that you can think about are just discounts. And I want to caution you on this one because during this Black Friday weekend, so around that Thanksgiving to Cyber Monday, a couple days after, CPMs go through the roof. So you want to be cautious of that. Right now, if you have a CPM of $20, for example, you will likely be spending $30, $35, maybe even $40. You never know on your CPM. So you want to be really cautious about discounts. It is a great opportunity to run a great sale, but you have to have the right margins in your business to make a discount like this work. Another offer that you might want to consider doing is a bundle. The reason that I like bundles so much is because it gives you an opportunity to increase average order value. So if you can get that average order value up with a bundle, it's a great thing. So for example, if you're a home decor company selling signs, you might say, buy one, get one 50% off. So if you buy 2, they're paying full price for the first one. They get 50% off the second one. Say your gross profit margin is 75%. You're still making a little bit of money on that second one, the full profit on the first one, plus you're shipping them together, so it's a lot less of a handling and a shipping fee on that. So consider bundling some things together. For the discounts, remember, CPMs are oftentimes a lot higher during this period. And the last one that you might want to consider doing, depending on what kind of business you have, is bonuses. So this is really good if you have a service-based business or something like that. So for an example, say you have a gym and you're trying to run a Black Friday sale for your gym. You might say sign up Black Friday through Cyber Monday and get 3 free personal training sessions if you sign on for 6 months, something along those lines. It's a free bonus. The personal training is free, but you're paying for the membership. It's a good opportunity there. So consider the offer. Make sure that the offer is irresistible. Think about the offer as the number 1 thing before you jump into any of these other steps inside of here. So step number 2 is that you need to develop a schedule. And what I mean by this is, yes, Black Friday is that Friday directly after Thanksgiving. That's the day. Cyber Monday is the Monday after Thanksgiving. Those days are always the same, but it doesn't mean that those sales have to run just that Friday or just that Monday, or a combination of both. You can start your Black Friday sales early. So what I might recommend doing is starting them actually the Wednesday before Thanksgiving. So you'll have Wednesday, you'll have Thursday, which is Thanksgiving. You'll have Friday, which is Black Friday. You'll have Saturday, Sunday as just bonus days. And then you'll have Monday, which will be Cyber Monday. So rather than just having 2 days of sales, you can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can have 6 days of sales, and you can set up your schedule that way. That's really helpful too, because think about it. On this weekend, Thanksgiving, most people have off. And yes, they're spending time with their families and friends, and they're celebrating and giving thanks to everything. But they're also spending time on their phones. They're spending time on social media. They have extra time than when they're working their full-time jobs and going on with their day-to-day lives. So consider starting early. Also on that Wednesday, a lot of people are shut down. A lot of people take half days. Some people might even take off this day. It's a good opportunity to put your Black Friday sale out there. Saturday and Sunday are obviously weekend, and then Monday we're looking at Cyber Monday deals. So think about how you want to position that schedule there. The third one that I want to talk about is, who are you actually targeting with your Facebook ads for Black Friday sales. And here's what I want to say. Normally, you might spend 80% of your budget targeting new customers and 20% of your budget targeting, retargeting people who have either been recent purchasers, people who've been on your website, people who have engaged with you on social media. What I would like to say is that for your Black Friday sale, you're actually splitting it up 50-50. So 50% of your budget is going after social media, retargeting, go after website, and whereas you might normally just target website visitors from the past 30 days, I actually want to challenge you to increase that. 90 days, 180 days, get a lot of long tail visitors from the past there. So I'm going to say 100 days here. And you can shrink that just depending on what your business model is and how your systems work. But I want to challenge you to go out a little bit longer there. Some other things that you might want to target is past customers. So if you are on Shopify, you can download your customer list and upload that as a custom audience inside of Facebook, and really challenge yourself to get as many possible warm and hot buyers as possible into this list that you can retarget. For the other 50%, you can go with some of the standard ads. So things like 1% lookalike audiences, go after some interest-based audiences, and things of that nature. But you want to make sure that, especially for Black Friday, this is a good opportunity to double down on people who have engaged, have shown interest in your products and services, and to retarget them to get them into your business. All right, let's talk step number 4. And this is, how do you actually prepare in advance for your Black Friday sale? And here's what I always recommend. Beginning on November 1st. So let's say Black Friday, for example, is on November 24th. It always differs, but let's say that. Start your advertising on November 1st. And here's what you want to do with those ads. You want to get video views. Okay, so run ads with videos that showcase your product and service. Okay, that's the first thing. The second thing is run engagement ads. So put ads out there that people who would be interested in your product can engage with. And those engagement ads and those video ads can include showcasing your product, how it works, customer testimonials, educational tools, things like that. Okay. The third thing is email list building. So if you have a lead magnet, maybe you're a service-based business, put a lot of ad spend towards that lead magnet to build your email list. Because of course, we're talking about Black Friday Facebook ads in this video, but that doesn't mean that you're not going to be doing huge email promotions and social media promotions and things like that. So run ads to build your email list so that you can get that audience up. And then the goal is that all of these things is driving up your warm audience. And then if we go back up here to the top, this 50% of targeting, a lot of them are going to include people who come in from your video views, your engagement ads, and your email list. So you really want to make sure that you start early and that you don't wait until just a couple of days before Black Friday to start actually advertising your business, okay? Now let's talk step 5. And step 5 is copy and creative, okay? This is a big thing, and here's what I'll say. If you're somebody who's running ads all the time, all year long, what you don't want to do is just simply put a Black Friday sale on your landing page or your website and not change your ads. That's the first thing. You do not want to do that. The second thing is you do not want to use the same pictures and copy as your normal, regularly scheduled ads as what you do with Black Friday, because your customers are going to notice them, they're going to remember them, and they're going to naturally scroll by thinking they're seeing the same thing. In terms of copy, some things that you want to do is write in the first 2 sentences of that ad. You want to say something along the lines of start holiday shopping today and save big through our limited time Black Friday sale. So put that big sale right in the top. Another version of copy that you might want to use is through Cyber Monday, you can save 50% if you buy one and get one. Okay, put that sale right there at the top so it's going to grab people's attention and get them excited about what you have to offer. Something else that you can do, especially if you have a holiday promotion that's really good for gift giving, is put some testimonials. And one example that I love to always use is my dad is impossible to buy for, but he was so excited to get his insert product last year. Put some testimonials right in that ad copy there so that people are thinking holiday shopping, start early, get a really good deal, etc. Think about that for the copy. Okay, so you want to make sure you have testimonials, and you want to make sure that you are highlighting Black Friday in the first 2 sentences and make sure that's super, super important there. And then in terms of the creative, here's some things that I'll recommend. The first thing is that you want to include Black Friday and Cyber Monday text animations right popping in that creative. You also want to include FOMO. You want people to fear that they're going to miss out on this great offer. So in that graphic, it's going to showcase your product or service. It's going to say Black Friday or Cyber Monday somewhere on there. And you also want to include ending November 30th at midnight, something along those lines, so that there's a FOMO inside of that creative. Another thing that I really love to do is put holiday themed pictures and videos there. So if you're showcasing your product, put a Christmas tree in the background, put some lights around it, put some garland around it, put some jingle bells, things of that nature, because around this Thanksgiving time, people are starting to really think about the holidays, and it'll give them that warm and fuzzy feeling inside if your ad can follow that brand and that theme. Okay, let's talk step number 6, and this is actually the last one before I talk about some other quick bonus things that I wanted to share. So step number 6 is that you need to set a goal. And this is incredibly important because you don't just want to throw away ad spend and create this offer without having a really dialed in goal. And here's what I mean by that. Say, for example, from this Wednesday to this Monday period, you want to have a $100,000 launch and sale. That's the revenue that you want to collect on this sale. So now you need to reverse engineer this and think, what do I need to have accomplished to actually reach this goal? So the first thing that you want to think about is, what is the return on ad spend that I need to make this profitable and worthwhile for me? So let's just say, for numbers' sake, that for you to make a healthy margin on this campaign, you need to have a 3 times return on ad spend. So naturally, if we divide $100,000 divided by 3, that is $33,000. Okay, so that's the total ad spend that you need to have. Take that $33,000, divide it by the 6 days of your campaign, and now you have a daily budget. It's super important to make sure that you're setting a goal, and then you're reverse engineering that with ad spend that can actually help that goal. You have no idea how many business owners I've talked to that have set a big goal like this, but then you ask them, how much do you want to spend? They say, I don't know, maybe $5,000. It's like, okay, but are you really expecting to get a 20 times return on ad spend in one of the most expensive advertising periods of the year? Probably not. And what'll happen is you'll spend that $5,000, you might make 15 or 20 back, and you're still super far from your goal, and it's not worthwhile. So you want to make sure that you're really, really thinking about, how much revenue do I want to collect and how much do I need to spend to make this worthwhile? So that's just step 6. Again, let's go through these really quickly to make sure that we're super, super dialed in. Get a really good offer. Set a schedule for your campaign. Nail down your targeting. Start advertising early, November 1st. Create copy and creative that will convert, and set a goal. These are the 6 steps that if you do these properly, you will be so much farther ahead than so many other businesses in your industry, and you'll be able to really stand out from the rest. So some bonus things that I just want to talk about in regards to Black Friday sales is, number 1, don't forget about email. Don't forget about social. I'm not going to talk about these in this video. I'll talk about them in another. But you want to make sure you have a really good dialed in email strategy so that all of your leads on your list are knowing about your sale and they're excited about it. That's also driving a lot of traffic. And you want to make sure you also have a social media strategy in place so that people who are following you and engaging with you have an opportunity to hear about this too. Okay, and the third thing is scale. So if you run this sale, the offer really starts to convert well on that Wednesday and Thursday. Don't be afraid to scale up fast. So if you set that daily budget of, let's say, $2,000 a day, Wednesday and Thursday, you're hitting your goals in terms of return on ad spend. Take that time to scale up. Okay, don't miss out on this opportunity. Don't wait until Monday to look back and say, I wish I would have spent more. Look at the scale now and think about it. The last bonus that I want to give you is make sure that after your Black Friday sale is over, you spend some time thinking about what went well and what went bad, and make sure that you document these things so that next year when you're planning for your Black Friday and your holiday campaigns, you can see, okay, what did I do really awesomely that I want to do again? and what didn't work out so you don't repeat that mistake. I promise you 11 months from now, you're not going to be remembering all of the things that you know right now, so make sure that you document them and you refer back to them next year so that you can get better and better and better and better. My name is David Nips. Thank you so much for watching this video all about Black Friday advertising strategy. If you have any questions at all, feel free to comment down below or visit my website at www.davidnips.com. I'd love to talk more with you and see how we can make sure that your business is set up for an absolutely incredible launch this holiday season. Thank you and have a great day. Hey guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. If you're interested in getting more content just like this on marketing, business, and personal finance completely free, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. I release videos every Wednesday at 2:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I'd love to see you in the next video. If you're looking for some resources on getting help with your marketing, getting help with your business, and looking to take that next step forward, go ahead and click some of the links below to learn more about working with my team, working with a marketing coach, and so much more. With that being said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and I will see you in the next video.